Alright, today's Java tutorial is about threading. How can you create a button that once you click it, it should generate a point every 10 seconds by one. So this button, when you click this click button, it is generating 1 point per click. So suppose once you click it, and when we purchase a click factory, it should generate a point every 10 seconds. Like once we purchase it, after 10 seconds you show a 6, like adding a gain points by 1. So I'll just teach you two buttons, the click me button and then the click factory. So far my interface actually has this click me button and then a J panel. So allow me just to add one more button, a click factory button. To add it, just have to click J button, factory third button should show click factory.
Three words on the tip of my tongue, not to be spoken or sung.
So let me just add my factory button. So I can be main. Let's add here. Main dot add factory button.
And the old will be lost in the new.
Dot.
Well, four will not wait for three. Three never waited
button,
for
and then
two.
I should actually change my click to 3. So I can also add the color. Let me just create my color, set background. I can add the background to blue. Like that. So this is it. So once you click this button, it should generate a point every 10 seconds, and when we click this light button, it should increment by 1. So the color actually is not that clear, so let me just add a black, white, yeah, let me just not add a color. It should just be a button, a default color, white, kind white. Boys are not good at colors. I think it's white. Boys are not good at color. So once we click this button, it should increment a point by 1. Once we click this button, it should generate a point every 10 seconds by 1. So what we're supposed to do is, first thing we have to initialize in our label. We need to have initial, need to have an integer variable, and then we have to initialize our variable to be initial, like that. So having that button, let's just initialize to 0. It's like it will show a 0 here. So a 0 being an integer, and the variable receives a string argument. We have to concatenate it with a string type of a variable. So after doing it, then we have to implement our action listener. Yeah, implement action listener. This action listener will have its implements, not implement. It's implement action listener. This action listener come up with an implemented method which is action performed, and we're supposed to sign our patterns that it should have an event once it is scripted. We should add action this yeah. And then we also have a click button. You should just add it action listener. this.
Though the sand may be washed by the sea,
I'd actually listen now.
Yeah,
like that. So after we did that, we know we have FSC, which is a factory pattern, and then we have a click pattern. So I can put once, it's like I'm creating an object to a click factory. So if button clicked, I'm going to click the button, the click button. It should increment initial by 1. So we just say show dot set text. We're going to set our text initial and continue to repeat that. So we're setting our initial after being added by 1. So what will happen is like once you click, it is incrementing by 1. So we are left with a factory click. So to come up with a factory click is like else if button click
got a pinch of tobacco in my pocket.
Button click.
I'm not gonna roll it, no. I'm not gonna smoke it till
button.
Staring at the stars and the rockets twinkling in the
should call a time.
Two sips of whiskey in the flask, but I'm not
call
gonna drink. I swear I'll make it last till we're drinking out
just
of
call
the
factory
same
method.
glass again.
Factory method, create an implemented method. So this is it. So what this factory method will do, we have a new thread with the new runnable. And this new runnable goes to be right run method. So I actually create on my own. Just say public run. After creating run method, it's like you go and say it has to be void.
A Polaroid picture in my wallet.
After creating a void first, it's like
I'm not gonna spoil it. It's an unspoken heartbreak.
We come up with our unbounded group
I take with me where I go.
And you can even, let me just use while. Or C is equal C. Or C is equal less than C plus 1. So we have a C plus plus, an upkeep condition. So we have to create an integer which is C initialized to 0. We should take this argument. If this happens, we should try. Should sleep for a while. Our thread should sleep. So for the trying purpose, let's just put 1000, which is a minute, and let's cache our interrupted exception. Interrupted exception. Okay, so we just put stack trace.
I'm not gonna smoke it till
that's the error that we're
staring at the stars and the rockets twinkling in the silvery night.
Stack trace. Yeah. Stack trace. Print. There has to be a print. Print stack trace.
Got a pinch of tobacco in my pocket.
Print stack trace. So when this happens, our initial should be
at the stars and the rockets
divided by 1, and then show
2 sips of whiskey in the
should
flask,
be set the
I'm
text
not gonna drink 'em. I swear
of
I'll make
the
it last till
ignition.
we're drinking
The
out
ignition
of
that
the
we have,
same glass again.
connect it with that. That's what will happen. So
And though the sun may be washed
we have to
by
start
the
our
sea,
thread now. So
and the
we
old
start
will
with,
be
let me
lost
just check
in
the
the new.
error which is showing me here.
4 will not wait for 3, for 3 never waited for 2.
Alright, let me just try to
Though
start
you
out my
will not
thread.
wait for me,
Let me just start it like this.
I'll wait for you.
I think something is wrong.
Got a Polaroid picture in my wallet. I'm not gonna tear it, no, I'm not gonna spoil it. It's an unspoken heartbreak, a heartbroken handshake I take with me where I go. The 3 words on the tip of my tongue, not to be spoken or sung or whispered to anyone till I scream 'em at the top of my lungs again.
Let me try there.
And though the sand may be washed by the sea,
I'm clicking. Let me try to get this. 6, 7, 8. Have you seen it has worked? So what we're supposed to do is just to change our point here to 10,000. Since it's 10 seconds. After running it, this button clicks by 1. Once you click this button, it generated the point every 10 seconds. So let's just wait for 10 seconds to see the change. See the change. Have you seen the change? So you can still more click this, but every 10 seconds it will add up the point. After 10 seconds it will add up the point.
Got a pinch of tobacco in my pocket. I'm not gonna roll it, no, I'm not gonna smoke it till it.
So you can also do that with it should be clicked when the points gained 100. It is possible. So you can set it as, you can come here and you set your factory button, set enabled, set enabled to force. After setting enabled to force, you can come here and say, you
got a
come
pinch
up
of
with
tobacco
another
in my
method.
pocket. I'm not gonna roll it, no, I'm not gonna smoke it till we
check.
Staring at the stars and the rockets.
This check of yours should
silvery night.
be avoid the class.
2 sips of whiskey in the flask, but I'm not gonna drink 'em. I swear I'll make it last
so we
till
come up with
drinking out of the same glass.
Condition. Num1 is equal to
and though the sand may be washed by the sea, and the old will be lost in the new,
greater than or equal
to
that condition will be false, so it will
3
run.
never waited for 2.
Set this,
though you will not wait for me,
and it is equal to,
I'll wait for you.
So you just have to call this method the check method here. You can call it once the button is clicked. This first thing we're clicking this button, we can come here and say,
got a Polaroid picture in my wallet. I'm not gonna tear it, I'm not gonna spoil it. It's an unspoken heartbreak,
so
a heartbroken handshake.
So once we run it, see it is
go.
disabled. So once we click,
The 3 words on the tip of my tongue, not to be spoken or sung or whispered to anyone till I scream 'em at the top of my
What is
lungs
wrong?
again.
Let me check the problem that we're having.
And though the sand may be washed by the
Should be
sea,
set enabled.
and the old will be lost in the new, Well,
Check
four
never
will not
betray.
wait for three. For
This
three
will
never
be
waited for two. And though you will
see,
not
let's
wait
come to
for me,
visible now. Once you click it, after 10
I'll
seconds
wait
it will
for
come up
you.
with the point with the
Oh,
21.
oh,
After 10 seconds it will
and
come up
oh,
with the 21.
oh,
So
oh,
10 seconds,
I'll wait
21.
for you.
So that's all
Oh,
that I have
oh,
today. So
and
if you want to chat with me,
and I'll wait for
you can
you.
email
Oh,
me at
no.
chisomotamanga@gmail.com.
Got a
You
pinch
can call
of
me at
tobacco in my pocket.
+265
I'm not gonna roll it. I'm not gonna smoke it till we're
You can call.
staring at the stars and the rockets.
You can call via
Twinkling in
that,
the
or you
silver
can chat
night.
on Facebook. Facebook.com. Yes, then you'll find me there. Thank you for your time. I hope we'll meet in our next tutorial if I have something to share with my fellow upcoming programmers.